Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. We have recently seen on our channel how to make a homemade moisturizer to keep your skin moisturized. And during our research, we noticed that many times the lack of moisturizing happens because of bad eating habits, lack of physical activities, sun exposure, low water ingestion, and the most common factor of all that many people do, but not everyone pays attention to: hot showers. The temperature of the shower water is a very personal thing. Some people love a cold shower, while other people will only get under the shower once it is boiling. But what is better for your body? According to studies, hot showers have a relaxing effect which activates blood circulation and sends more oxygen to the muscles, soothing pains and tension. However, if you usually shower in high temperatures, know that you are causing a series of damages to your hair, skin, nails, and even to your digestive system. Learn more about it now. Causes oiliness. Hot showers make the scalp release sebaceous glands, which cause a dirty and oily aspect. Other places rich in sebaceous glands, such as the face, ears, upper body, and the inframammary fold, can also be affected by hot water. Rough skin. When the water is too hot, it ends up removing the natural oils of skin, which causes a rough and dry skin. Causes hair loss. Also caused by the stimulation of sebaceous glands, hot water can cause seborrheic dermatitis, a common skin disease that leaves red spots on skin, especially on the scalp. It can cause hair loss. Causes urticaria. Hot water dilates skin pores, so people who have allergies to water and high temperatures may suffer from itching. Dull hair. Hair dryness also affects one of the most valued characteristics of hair, the shine. Hot water not only makes hair lose its softness, but also its smoothness and shine. Causes acne. The sebaceous glands released by hot water make the skin oily, which doesn't really help much when you're acne prone. Harms digestion. Taking a hot shower after meals can be bad for your digestion. Did you know that? Hot water makes the blood, which should be working in the digestive process, be relocated to the skin to protect it. It causes the digestive process to slow down and may result in bad digestion. Besides avoiding too hot water, remember to go easy on loofahs. Many people believe that strongly scrubbing their skin will remove all the dead skin cells, which is not true. Scrubbing your skin too much will remove its natural oils, which work as a protection. See? Now tell us, how hot are your showers? To lessen or avoid these problems, try taking more warm showers the next time. After a while, the new temperature will become a habit. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.